impression that you really want to see a serious sell-off in order to get back in. You're seeing this as a buying opportunity. Does it bother you that people are coming back so quickly because this market is already off of the lows?
Yeah, it is off the overnight lows. But Maria, you know, our year-end target has been 2,800 to 2,900 in the S&P 500 for year-end. So, you know, in our opinion, at least for this point in time, the market's pretty close to fair value. But when we look out 12 months or something like that, you know, I think you could see a 8-9% return in the S&P 500. So, you know, we want our clients in this. They're not buying stocks cheap right here, but retail clients in general, not just our clients, but I would say our competitors as well. You know, they've been sitting on a lot of cash. They've been underinvested in stocks this whole run. You know, you get down, you know, you're down 5%, which isn't much. We see a little bit more. I mean, I think it's time to put your toe in the water if you believe that the Fed is not going to make a mistake, if you believe that global growth is not going to slow, which that's our base case. So, you know, we want our clients forward-looking. We're positive. We want our clients in here, and you probably won't see much gain through the end of this year, but when you look out over the next 12 months, I think you'll see some positives.
Scott, Lindsay Bell here.
So I do think that the global growth will slow down, and the main reason is because most of this growth has just been fueled by companies just borrowing easy, cheap debt and then using that debt to buy other companies out, which just basically inflates asset prices. Same with real estate. People were able to get loans for very cheap, and that's what also brought real estate prices up. And as a real estate investor, I'm basically going to hedge myself. I do see crypto and other commodities as a great way to hedge against this asset bubble. But only time will tell. You have to really just continue to watch the market. And so far, anytime there's been weakness in the stock market, it hasn't really helped the crypto market. So pay attention to this trend and see what happens. But I would also consider checking out precious metals. Precious metals might be another way to protect yourself from this dip. And cash treasuries may not be a bad idea, but if you're going to get back into the stock market, I would wait for a much larger dip than 5%. But let me know your thoughts on this, and I will talk to you guys soon.